And I actually have an announcement, which I think will be hopefully well received, that we've decided to put the Tesla Gigafactory Europe in the Berlin area. Yeah.
That's the news.
That's news.
So you come up with this news tonight. This is wonderful.
Yeah, great.
So we'll see you more often here in Berlin.
Yeah, I come to Berlin a lot.
Will you come then by the
Berlin
slow old-fashioned plane or by Hyperloop?
Great. I love Berlin. Yeah.
Yeah. You come by. But when will you come by Hyperloop?
I mean, this might happen. Might come by rocket.
You know, you were here, I think, in 2014, achieving the golden steering wheel for lifetime achievement. Then you came back for Model X, and you promised to come back when Model 3 is going to have an award. What will you promise this time?
I mean, if you keep giving, here's the irony. In the future, there may not be a steering wheel.
Yeah. We talked about that already. Yeah. What will there be?
I don't know.
Tell us. We have to design it. Tell us. What's your vision?
I don't know, like a hologram or something.
The golden hologram. Okay.
Yeah. For like the AI that's driving the car.
Okay.
Yeah.
We'll
seriously.
try to visualize that.
Yeah. Let's throw in a hologram.
Wonderful. It's great to have you here.